Hello everyone, so in today's video we'll be looking at how to design this helical bevel gear. So what you're looking at right now in the SolidWorks is the actual helical bevel that will be ending up with if you follow this tutorial along. Without further ado, let's jump into the design. To create a new part, go to new, click OK, click part, and then click OK. Make sure that your units are set up correctly before starting. So the unit that I will be using today is the millimeter, gram and seconds. Choose the front plane, click OK, and then let's start sketching. So your sketch would look something like that. Just follow along, then would be ending up dimensions later on, but try to make it something close so you don't have to go through making dimensions and correcting them later on, right? Let's continue. Alright, so it should be something like that. Now let's add in dimensions. So the length of the cylinder would be 120, and then this line should be 30, and the distance from here to here should be 70, and then this distance should be 5. Right, now let's add in the diameters. So this should be 20, and this should be 22, and this should be 30, and the last one should be 35. Let's add in a radius here, so this should be 2.5, and let's actually add in dimension to that, so this should be 20. 20 is a little bit too much, I guess, for that one. Yeah, because this one is 20 as well. This is 26. Alright, now let's go to feature and go to revolve boss. Click on this line and you should be good to go. Now select this face and click sketch. Create the first cylinder and then create the second cylinder. So the first cylinder should be 80 and the second one should be 110. So just keep in mind that what we're making here right now is not a standard helical bevel. I just wanted to take you through the steps to create one, but if actually you have standard dimensions, that you would be ending up with a standard one. For now we're just making it for the sake of the an example. We're just making an example, right? So create a center line, and then let's go to 3 point radius or arc. From this point to this point should be 8. Good. And here it should be 20, and the radius here should be 60. All right. Let's go to mirror entity. Click on this and go to mirror. Select, click OK. Good. Now let's go to pattern, linear pattern. Let's select the entities here and let's make it 8. All right, that should be good. Right, now let's go to trim entities and let's start trimming from here. This one and this one. If you actually missed, you just go back to the red point and then you can get your line back. So in case you missed, you can just go always back to the red point. See, once you go back to it, it brings back the sketch that you deleted. Now let's delete the external ones. During deletion you can see that your sketch is getting blue, but never mind that because it will get black once you're done. Click OK and then click exit sketch. Now let's create a plan. Click on this face, click on reference, click on plane, make it 30. Right, select the plan and go to sketch. Click on the old one, on the old sketch, and click on convert entities. Select the all and then go to scale entities. Make it 0.75 and click on this midpoint. Click OK. Once you're good, exit the sketch and create another plan again. So select this face, go to feature, go to reference, plan, and now it should be 60. Good. Select this plan that we've created just now and go to sketch. Select the old one that we created and convert entities. Once you select it, go to scale again. Select all the entities that want to scale. Good. Select the center point, make it 0.75 is good. Once you get something like that, then skip sketch again. Let's hide these plans. Now let's go to Lofted boss. Click on this line and click on this line again, and then click on this line again. If you messed up, then you can always adjust by these green points, so you should get something like that. Once you're good, exit sketch and you should get something that looks like that. Right, now go to search for flex. Once it's there, select these and go to twist, and we will twist it by 90, so you should get something that looks like that. Alright, now let's add in these extra features on the back side. Select this face and go to sketch, go to midpoint rectangle and create one here. Make sure that this point and this point are vertical. Let's add in dimensions. So this should be 4. This should be 4 as well. Once you're good, go to feature, go to boss and up to surface and select the surface. Now let's go to this sketch, actually make it visual because we want to revolve this feature around it. And let's go to pattern, circular pattern. Click here and click this line, and here on feature you can select this one. It's good, make it 18, 360 and click OK. Once you're good to go, click OK. Now let's hide this sketch, we don't need it anymore. So now let's go to top plane and let's create a sketch. So I want to create something that looks like that, just to add in a chamfer like that. So this distance should be 2 millimeters and this distance should be 2 millimeters as well. It should be 3 and this should be 3. Does not matter actually, it just has to be all black. Now let's create a center line. Now let's go to feature, revolved cut, and you should be good to go. So this is what you should get. Now let's drill a hole in the middle. Let's go to sketch, add dimensions, should be 30, click OK, go to feature, extruded cut, make it through all. Alright, now let's add a chamfer here and another chamfer here. Chamfer, okay, let's make it 1. Alright, so here is our helical bevel. Let's change the background now, make it white. Alright, now let's go to appearance, change the appearance as well. Let's go to casted carbon steel on all the parts. So you should get something like that by the end of this tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.